Hi, my name is Kevin Mauricio Silva Cespedes. I am 36 years old at the present. I am living at Bagre, Antioquia, and I am studying social communication. Today, I want to tell you about the Simón Bolívar promenade where the Simón Bolívar monument is located at the heart of the city on the historic center of Barranquilla. Also, the Monus is important. It is called like this monument next to the promenade. It is located the Taul Church is the Saint Nicholas Church which makes this place very special for my city. The monument was not there since August. Before that was monument of Colón with light and present for Italian community for centenary of the Colombia independence, but is 1937 the Taut conflict decided mode. The Simón Bolívar statue made also in 1910 like a copy of the what you might originally the French sculptor Emmanuel Fremir made of bronze to for Bogota. This copy was located at Saint Nicholas. It moved to the actual promenade. If you go to Barranquilla, you will see the monument. There is the place of many celebrities. So if you would to come to school, me to sure your best monument.